Aircraft are a vital component of a nation's defense strategy. With numerous air force stations spread across the length and breadth of India, ensuring timely and precise aircraft maintenance is not just important, it's absolutely critical. Presenting the OES Aircraft Maintenance Loop Lighting System, a game changer in aviation support lighting. With a staggering 2 lakhs lumens powered by 20 ultra-bright floodlights, this system surrounds the aircraft in brilliant, uniform light from every angle. No shadows, no blind spots, just crystal clear visibility that transforms maintenance into a smooth, hassle-free operation anytime, anywhere. The lamp angle can be adjusted up or down as per user requirement. The height of the tripod stand can also be adjusted up to 9 feet or 12 feet depending upon the option selected. It is also provided with a digital voltage display along with an MCB to prevent overcurrent and protection against short circuit. The special waterproof IP68 connectors and ISI marked cable facilitate use even in rains. Each light comes equipped with its own power status indicator, giving instant visual confirmation that the connection is live and ready. The system facilitates powering a single light or up to 20 lights as per user requirement. Each floodlight is built up with an IP65 Ingress Protection rating, making the system fully weather resistant and ready to perform even in the harshest conditions. The lighting system offers versatile power options. It can be operated either through a compact petrol generator or directly from a standard 220 volts AC, 15 amp power socket. So let's start aircraft maintenance, the smart way with OES Aircraft Maintenance Loop Lighting System. Get yours today.